In order to create a new Google Sheet, you will go to your Google Drive. You'll click on the red New button and choose Google Sheets. The very first thing you'll want to do is click here where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. You'll want to name that sheet. Once you have it named, you'll want to think who you'd like to share that sheet with. If you click on the blue Share button and then the Advanced button, it will give you the option to select if you want it to be public on the web. Anyone with the link, anyone at Granbury ISD can find and access, or anyone in Granbury ISD who has the link can access. Once you've chosen one of these, you'll also need to think about whether you want to give them permission to edit, comment, or view. Remember that if you give someone permission to edit, they will be able to make changes to your sheets or delete that sheet. So just be aware of that. We're going to make those changes. Know that you can also invite individuals here to share your sheet with. Again, you'll need to decide whether you want them to view, to comment, or to edit. And once again, you need to remember that if you leave this Notify People box checked, it will send an email to the person that you are sharing it with. So likely you will not want to do that. Once you have those shared settings set, know that you can go in and make changes to those. You can remove someone from the shared list. You can also turn it off to where only you can access that sheet. Also, another really good thing to know about when you're in a Google Sheet is this Google Apps training and help. If you notice, anytime you're in Google Sheets, Google Docs, you will see, or Google Sites, you will see this little circle here. That's a great place to get help. If you're trying to figure out how to do something within a Google Sheet, if you click on that, it will let you choose what you want to learn how to do. Let's say we want to talk about spreadsheet settings. It will play a video that will help you know how to
Google
set
Sheets
those up.
provides you with some basic settings that will help you to customize your...
So you can get help with nearly anything whenever you use this Google Apps training and help within your Google Docs. A Google Sheet works similar to an Excel spreadsheet. So many of the features, if you're familiar with Excel, many of the features are going to be the same in a Google Sheet. So hope that will help you get started. And again, don't forget to use the Google Apps training and help.